One thing I will say about these AR, and I pause real fast when I say AR, because to a point they are just an external monitor to whatever device you have connected to them. But the one thing I will say about these AR glasses is that the presentation of the actual devices is kind of amazing. Like, as you can see right here, we have the Rokid Max, and once we open it up, you're greeted right away with a little carry case, right? Inside the carry case, you have your glasses, you also have your external cables, you also have your nose buds thing, which still is kind of questionable in my opinion, just because of the fact of how hard it is to actually get the nose piece off of these glasses. It makes it to a point where you don't even want to replace the nose piece, even if it fits better or more comfortable. It's just like, there's no reason to, because it's impossible to get off. Nonetheless, though, I did opt in for the bundle with the Rokid Max here, where it came with, of course, the remote controller, and also comes with the other remote controller. I guess not remote controller. It's called the Rokid Station, and then it comes with the remote controller. So those are the Rokid Maxes right there, and then once we go in here, I'm doing this with one hand, I apologize. And this is before I had my, new unboxing set up, which you probably saw with my last video. But this is before I did that, so I did do this one-handed. And this, of course, is the nose pieces right here, so nose pads, and then of course we have the external cable in here, and this lets you be able to connect to any device. I still will say I like the Rokid Maxes the least out of all three, that being the X-Reals, that's being the Virtual ones, and now obviously the Rokids. But I will say, overall wise, I really do like the Rokid Station, which in sense is, again, just a Android TV clone that's put in this device that you can use with your actual glasses. I think it really fits well and does really good to kind of give you that, perspective. It is also 4 hours of battery, which I really like. It charges up pretty quick. You're not spending much time without your, Rokid Android TV experience. That's what I'll say. And right here we have the HDMI cable / not cable. This is, I believe, it's micro, I want to say micro HDMI is what it's called. And then it goes to USB-C, which plugs from the glasses to your Rokid Station. Now, Rokid Station does also come with a external USB-C port, so when you are using it, you can actually go ahead, and as you see right here, it does actually have USB-C to micro USB, and it lets you be able to actually plug in other devices into your Rokid Station, which is cool. Not as good as, in my opinion, as the Beam or the neck piece or neckband from Vitcher, but still a really cool design, really cool concept. We have the user manual right here, and then finally we do have the remote controller, which, to be honest, is a remote controller. That's pretty much that. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, though, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.